we're gonna go ahead and start covering variables. What are variables? I hate to do this to you guys, but let's look at math. Remember x and y variables? Like x plus y? Well, actually, let's put that in the comments so it doesn't throw these kind of errors. So x plus 2 is equal to 5. What is x? Well, clearly in this situation it would be 3. So variables are just pretty much storage containers. And that's about it for right now. I mean, that's as far as we'll dwell into it. Let's look at some examples and let's start off with math. So we'll say x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and we could say echo x plus y. And what do you think this will display? This will display 5. So if we refresh this page, now we're on, it should pop up with 5, and it does. Let's go ahead and look at something a little bit more interesting. So let's start off with a car year, 1999. We'll create a car model or car brand first. We'll name it Nissan. The car model will be the R34 Skyline GTR. When is this going to be legal? So the year legal is going to be the car year, which is 1999, plus 25, which is when cars become legal in the United States that aren't legal. So in this case, it'll be 2024. And we're also going to grab the current year, and I'm just going to use the date method right here, or date function. We're going to be covering that a little bit later on, but just know that this function returns the current year. All right, now that we have that, let's go ahead and create a movie script. So we'll start off with, for example, me saying, oh my god, I just saw a, and we're going to use this little dot operator, which is for concatenation purposes. So it's just to join two strings together. So you can join another string like that, for example, or you can join a variable. So we're going to say car year, and then we're going to need a space, car brand, and we're going to need another space, and then car model. And then we're going to add a break tag after that. So the person that I'm talking to, let's call him Frank. He's going to say, you have to be kidding me. They're not even legal yet. Let's go ahead and put a break tag right there as well. And then Dino, which is me, I'm going to reply, I know. They must have bought it through that one company that imported all of them legally. Lucky bastard. Okay. And then I'll continue on saying something like only, and then I'll basically do some math right here. Year legal minus the current year. Only the year legal will be 2024 minus the current year. That's 4. Only 4 more years to go before I sell my soul to own one. Great. Okay, we're going to go ahead and save that. Let's go ahead and refresh that up here. Let's see what happens. Hopefully everything works. So yeah, there we are. Everything's being displayed. Sometimes this stuff doesn't display in the correct order. So let's see if that doesn't. To tell you the truth, I have absolutely no idea why it does that. Let's take a look. Right there, we're not printing anything else out. Oh well. If I ever figure that out, I'll let you guys know. But if this was an HTML script, if this was embedded in HTML, everything would print out properly. We could also just chain this on. Let's go ahead and remove all of this instead of doing new echo statements every single time. So we'll just do a dot operator between everything. And that should fix our issue. Now everything should display properly. And it still doesn't. Let's try, instead of break tags, let's go ahead and put some div tags. Now this is starting to bother me. So let's put or paragraph. Let's do a div tag. So we'll do /div right there. I'm just curious to see what happens. So let's do another div. Let's close that off. I'm kind of curious to see if these break tags are what's causing this issue. And let's do another div. Let's close that off. And echo div. And let's close that off. Alright, now let's refresh it. Alright, there it is. Something going on with those break tags. If you guys have any idea why, don't hesitate to put a comment in the comment section down there. So just let us all know why that first line got moved to the bottom when we're using break tags. So when we use div tags, clearly everything is in the correct order. So if we inspect the view source, yep, everything's still in correct order.